Welcome to our channel, Kids Buds TV. Let's learn the ABCs, sing along, and have fun together. Come on, little buds.
A for apple, crunchy and sweet. A for aeroplane, flying high in the sky. B for bus. Let's hop on and go for a ride. B for ball. Bounce it, kick it, have some fun. C for cat. Meow, meow. So cute and furry. C for cow. Moo. Gives us yummy milk. D for duck. Quack, quack. Splashing in the pond. D for door. Knock, knock. Who's there? E for elephant. Big ears and a long trunk. E for egg. Crack it open. Breakfast time. F for fish. Swimming and swishing. F for frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Jumping all around. G for goat. Loves to munch on grass. G for grapes. Sweet, round, and juicy. H for hen. Cluck, cluck, laying eggs. H for horse. Nay, let's go for a gallop. I for ink. Used for writing pretty letters. I for iron. Makes clothes smooth and neat. J for jeep. Off we go on an adventure. J for joker. He makes everyone laugh. K for kangaroo. Jump, jump with the baby in the pouch. K for king. The ruler with a golden crown. L for lion. The brave king of the jungle. L for lamp. Shines bright in the dark night. M for mango. Sweet and juicy summer fruit. M for moon. Shining softly in the night sky. N for nest. A cozy home for little birds. N for nuts. Crunchy and full of energy. O for orange. Round and full of vitamin C. O for owl. Hoo hoo. Awake at night. P for parrot. Pretty bird that talks. P for panda. Black and white and super cute. Q for queen. Wearing a shining crown. Q for quail. A tiny bird that loves to run. R for rainbow. So many colors in the sky. R for rose. Smells so sweet and beautiful. S for sun. Bright and warm all day. S for ship. Sailing across the blue sea. T for train. Choo-choo! All aboard! T for tomato. Red and round, yummy and salad. U for umbrella. Keeps us dry in the rain. U for utensil. Helps us eat our food nicely. V for violin. Let's play a sweet tune. V for vegetable. good for health and strong bones. W for window. Peek outside to see the world. W for whale, the giant of the deep blue sea. X for xylophone. Ding, ding, ding. What a melody. X for X-ray. Shows our bones inside. Y for yo-yo. Up and down, up and down. Y for yak. Hairy and strong from the mountains. Z for zebra. Stripes black and white. Z for zoo, where animals live and kids smile bright.
Thank you for watching Kids Buds TV. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Bye-bye!